Hello, everybody. I'm Super Machine 92, and yes, I'm back. I've been silent once more again, mainly because I was caught up with other ideas, or just caught up with some little problem. Anyways, today's team is Team Infinite Creations. Now, the October one, the Infinite Creations from Superpower 11, and that's Yellow Kid, Light Cannon, and Splash Robot. What do they have in common? Well, it's an obvious one. They both appeared together as the first three characters of Superpower 11 Infinite Creations. So, the Yellow Kid idea came from me, the Light Cannon came from Kevin Smith, and Splash Robot came from Arthur. So yeah, I created the two requested characters and one imaginative character that I came up with. Like for Yellow Kid, imagine if Orange Kid contrasts to Yellow, and more stronger and more edgier, and more cooler. But that's just me. As for the Light Cannon from Kevin, he wanted that character to be in there because he wanted a martial arts character to balance out the funness. So for the Splash Robot, for Arthur, he likes machines, and I noticed that he is enjoyable with robot characters as much as I do. So, with all that said, please enjoy. For some odd reason, I totally forgot about the color Splash Robot's arms. Hope you guys enjoy the Infinite Creation team. And I'm glad I created him. So, that is it for today, and I'll see you guys next time. And I'll be creating some more later on this week. Bye!